Utongoria wa kambuni ya wenji wa thitima ya geothermal ni uhete Akenya kiraniro gia guthii na mbere na kwamukira motungata ma thitima ona thengia wa imera cia mbura guthii na mbere na guthata. Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya KEnGEN Abraham Serem oigite ona maai ma ndemu iria cihũthĩkaga guthondeka thitima cirĩ na gicunji kinini kia maai bũrũri-inĩ wĩbangĩte na mĩthemba ĩngĩ ya thitima.
Our water is not completely dry in our dams. We have been managing in a very progressive way to ensure that we still have water to run in the foreseeable future, hopefully up to the period when the rains come through. But what is happening is just ensuring that during the day, when we have solar, when we have wind and all that, then hydro generation is really generated at the bare minimum. And at night they come in just to take care of the deficit that we would always have in terms of peak demand.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ mwaki wa thitima kumana na maĩ no gĩcunjĩ kĩa 20, geothermal ĩkĩiyũkia gĩcunjĩ kĩrĩa kĩnene kĩa 49 harĩ 100, ruhuho gĩcunjĩ kĩa 13 na solar gĩcunjĩ kĩa 4.
Full dispatch of our generation, our geothermal generation. So whatever is available in this part of the world is dispatched into the national grid. And then of course you are aware that Kenya Power, which is another partner, is importing about 200 megawatts of electricity from Ethiopia.
Serem araragia hindi ya gĩikaro na ũtongoria wa bengi ya gĩtarũ kĩa rũra ya EIB arĩa makoretwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere wa gũteithĩrĩria Kenya gũthondeka thitima na njĩra theru.
For the issue of farms that come into this part of Kenya and whether we have enough power, I think there is. I think there is enough power. And I think there's still a lot of investment that we see in terms of new power plants that are coming in. In Nakuru, Menenga, I think there is a 35 megawatts power plant that is coming through.
Vice President wa bengi ĩno Thomas Ostros nĩ atũgĩrĩte mĩtaratara ya KEnGEN na kuga no megũthiĩ na mbere na kũmahũra njeki harĩ wenji wa thitima ya geothermal.
To see to that affordable energy and reliable energy reaches all households, but also to electrify a lot of the processes that have been run on fossil fuels up to now. If we're going to reach the climate targets, electrification is really the name of the game. And that is why I think the partnership between EIB and KEnGEN is so valuable. 4 decades of intimate cooperation together.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Njeta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.